Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Air Jordan 1 highs, this time in the Heritage colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about some Air Jordan 1 highs, this time in the Heritage colorway. The big question of the day is this a sleeper? Because I am shocked actually how many people I've seen with these on foot. And we'll start off by talking about the overview and how high quality these are, talking after that about the size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this. Really great color combination. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. One of the things I must say about this is the quality. I was really shocked, honestly, when I unboxed these because this is some of the highest quality material I've actually seen on an Air Jordan 1. As you know, Air Jordan 1 highs are all over the place. You just don't know what quality you're going to get. And on these, they just did such an impeccable job. I get it. The red may not be your favorite, but honestly, in person, this red looks amazing. All right, so starting with the front of the toe box, we've got that really high quality, nice tumbled red leather. And then on the front, we've got the smooth white leather. Working our way up, we've got just a simplistic pair of black laces that they've laced up with these. You could swap it out for the red or white that they've included. They have a simple white nylon tongue, and then on the top, we've got that pop of red for the Nike and swoosh mark. And then we've got just smooth white leather for the eyelets. Let's take a look at those details and move on to the side panel. All right, so working our way around to the side panel, we do have smooth white leather and that red tumbled leather for the Nike swoosh. Working our way to the back, we've got more red tumbled leather, and then on the collar, we've got black tumbled leather and then black inner collar lining. The insoles are white and the writing on the inside is in red. As we wrap our way around to the other side of the sneaker, we do have the Air Jordan Wings logo in that metallic-y, sparkly, shiny color scheme. And then we have red tumbled leather underneath that, as well as some black underlays of tumbled leather. And then again, that really high quality tumbled leather on the swoosh mark. I'm telling you, you got to see these in hand. Quality is A1. The sneaker is then completed with a white midsole and a red outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. right, so moving on to size and fit, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a true 7.5. I do have higher to narrow feet, so if you do have a similar type of foot to mine, definitely stick in that direction. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate the size that may work different for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, I know a lot of people were hating on this red color, but I actually really love it in hand. I think this is a great color combination. And I decided to really just rock some red color schemes into the mix with this. So for the first look, I decided to wear just a nice tight fitted red dress. And I feel like you can really dress these up, you can dress these down.
Don't try your disappearing act. No, I won't stand for that. One chance is all you get before you get the axe. Try your disappearing trick. I won't put up with it. I know you think you're quick, but I'm quicker.
And then for the second look, I decided to wear a button-down long sleeve red sheer top that I wore with some light denim pants. I think light denim goes great with these, specifically as we're getting into the warmer weather. I will be wearing a bit more light denim in my wardrobe.
Don't forget, I know your weakness. Don't be so facetious. I leave you here in pieces. I know you know I care. You overlook my strength. Don't make me get my fangs out. I know you thought I stayed out. Don't try your disappearing act. No, I won't stand for that. One chance is all you get before you get the axe. Try.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a bustier red top with some darker shaded black denim shorts, and those had some nice just little metal embellishments on the side. So definitely something that I feel is complementary towards a nice red and black combination if you're looking to do that as an option for one of your looks.
I know you think you're quick, but I'm quicker.
Let me know down below, what's your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Cause you know I get down, baby. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. Cause you know I get down, baby. You know how I ride in corners. The OGs in the hood try to warn us to watch out for these suckers when your wrist stay icy. On the dance floor, all the ladies like me. Make them fall in love and kiss the swag. Just to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my folks get mad at me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. Cause you know I get down, baby. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. Cause you know I get down, baby. Let the rims keep on spinning. Home team, no L's, keep winning. Whoever wants smoke, I'm with it. Down for whatever, for the squad, no switching with me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me. Cause you know I get down, baby.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retail at $170 and they're currently going between $153 to $200. So again, these you can actually get, depending on your size, below retail. I think that these, honestly, for the quality that you're getting, this is something you have to have in your collection. I've seen so many people actually walking around the city in these just because I know that they have probably fallen in love with them seeing them in hand. Again, can't express the type of high quality you're getting with these. So if you're somebody who really cares about the quality of the leather on your sneaker, this is definitely one you need to add to your collection. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here and joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.